So we're on to final assembly now. We've got the two components there in front, so I just finished off a little bit more on my outer of my card. So you can see there, Yoda says, thank you, I do. A bit more on the design and a little bit more colouring in. And then I've got my inner as well, okay, that needs to be put in, obviously, into the inner bit. Okay, so what we're going to do then is, don't forget we're going portrait with this card. The last time we did a card, it was landscape, but this one's going to be opening up to the inner. So what I'm going to do is put some glue onto this part and then stick that in the centre. Okay, so there we go. Just move that out of the way, get some scrap, and put that down. And again, we need to make sure we get a good thick, well, not thick, but a good coverage on the inner part, so that it stays in place. Just be very careful with it, not to rip it, because you'll have spent a long time on it, like I have. So right to the ends. And then on this side, I'm going to be really careful, because obviously I don't want to stick it to the paper. So a good thick layering of glue. Fingers crossed that should be enough. Okay, wipe my hands, just lift it off this. Get rid of the scrap. There should be enough glue on there now. So what I'm going to do is open up my card, have the crease, and then I'm just very carefully going to line up those two areas. Bring this over. Bring it over, press it down. On the back, if I wanted to, I could maybe get some more logos. Okay, so what I think I'll do is just cut out the big one. Cut out my last one. Bring that round. That'll set my card off, I think, with some designs on the front and back. Obviously, if you can't print off, don't worry about it. Just get yourself drawing. Okay, so I'm just going to stick that on the back. So I've got right there. Star Wars. You could maybe sign the bottom of it if you wanted to. So we'll put Mr. G cards, and then I've got my front. The front of the card there. And then when we open it up, we should see the design in the centre. Okay, so there's the design for the front, the middle, sorry. Okay, so I've got my pop-up of Yoda, and then on the front I've got my message, and I've got my stuff that I printed off, and then on the back I've just finished it off just quickly with that, and then it should open up into the pop-up. Alright, job done, I think. I'm happy with it. Could probably put a message inside, so to whoever, and personalise it obviously around the edges, and then it's ready to be given to someone. Alright. Hopefully I'll get to see some of yours posted in on the BLE. Alright, well done.